Good morning. All freshened up, cleaned up, clean clothes on. I'm returning to society today, so I thought I'd, take the extra steps. And already brewed my coffee. Spared you the coffee montage this time. Getting ready to head out of here, and just gonna finish packing up. Maybe take a few more shots of this water here. It's so nice, and go see what we can get into today. Gonna show you real quick another spot I looked at last night. I didn't look at it in depth for potentially camping last night. This is only a couple miles from where I ended up staying, and it's right on Hone Quarry Road, which is the same road I stayed off of. So it's pretty big. It's actually kind of a pull through. It's got a fire ring down here. Yeah, it's nice flat. It's right on the water as well. It's kind of a gray, overcast, gloomy day in November, so things don't look at their absolute best. Oh look, somebody left some firewood. That's super nice. Now the only downside to this spot that I could tell, I'm sure the truck could make it, and it looks like big vehicles make it, but it's just a little bit concerning. You can't really tell in the video, but this is a very steep, fairly steep decline off of the road to get in here, and it's very, very, I don't know about this. I feel like it just won't show up well on the video. It doesn't, you can't catch how uneven this is. I don't know. You'd have to navigate down there fairly carefully. I'm sure it can be done. But anyway, nice little random spot. Now I'm headed off to my first little adventure of the day at Natural Chimneys Park. There is what appears to be a trail going up to the top that goes over that way. I'll not be doing that. It's almost straight up. Looks like something fit for a mountain goat. I had to go back in the truck to get my little lantern, because it is some kind of dark in here. I don't think this goes anywhere. Looks like it narrows out. Ooh, this is cool though. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, I can't stand up. Okay, turn back around. And here's another one. Anybody want to explore that with me? Let me see. Some light on it. Whoa, this is wild. This place is also like completely deserted. So there's like nobody around at all. It just kind of makes it a little more kind of weirdish. Yeah, this is gonna end too. It looks like right up here. I'm not going up any further. Oh look, there's water. Ugh. See it? That's pretty cool. Now formed stalactites. Oh, they're little crickets. Oh, they're cave crickets. Ooh. A lot about that. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Wow, that's pretty cool. If I was younger and also didn't care about getting all muddied up with that red clay, or if I just wanted a big challenge, I might have taken one of those little trails. There's a bunch of these little trails that went up, but man, I mean, like up like this, and climbing over tree roots, and yeah, not for today. But wow, that is those are giant limestone chimneys. I guess that's what they're called. This park is a little campground here and everything. I think it's privately owned, but anybody can just drive in here. I drove in here for free just to look at the chimneys that I just showed you. The sun's trying to come out, so that's cool. The sun started peeking out right as I was trying to do some pictures and stuff. I thought about putting my drone up, but I just don't feel like it right now. And there's a little bit of a breeze coming and going. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get on to my next spot for the day. But this was well worth a quick visit. So that was fun in a touristy kind of way. I haven't been in any of these caverns. There's many of them around here. Luray, this one, there's Endless Caverns. There's a bunch of them. I haven't been to any of these since I was a kid, so that was kind of fun. I always see the signs for them, and I'm always on the way, going somewhere, so I never had time to stop. And today, on this trip, I gave myself an extra day. I gave myself Monday, as well as Friday and Saturday and Sunday. So I had the time because I was taking a longer trip, and I'm glad I stopped by. This was good. So all that's left now is to drive home. So just thinking back on this trip, it seems like every trip kind of ends up developing some kind of theme, or I see a theme in each of my trips a little bit. And I think this one was about like finding my boundaries, like pushing a little bit, trying to figure out like how comfortable am I doing what. If you watched a video or so back, the water crossing, I didn't do that, but I took that crazy mountain road that I thought was going to break my truck. So a lot about just kind of figuring out when I'm solo, when I'm out in the middle of nowhere where a tow truck wouldn't even come, even if I could call a tow truck, but I have no cell signal. Like how comfortable am I, and where are my boundaries with what I'm gonna do. So that was good. I mean, it's not always comfortable, right? It's not always comfortable pushing those boundaries a little bit, pushing up against them and seeing where they're at. But I think it's good practice, and I feel more confident, and I'm pretty impressed with how my truck did. So I don't talk too much about my truck itself, but of course my channel is named Tacoma Traveler for a reason. I love my Tacoma pickup. It just makes me happy every time I see it. Like if I park, I turn around and look at it just to make sure I just get that look at it, because it just brings me joy, which is kind of silly. It's probably why I don't talk about it too much, of how much happiness I get out of this truck. But the fact that it's my micro RV, so it's my home, it's my transportation, it's the way I find adventure, and the way it held up on that road. I mean, this road, I don't think I really captured, because I didn't film during the worst parts of it, because I was trying not to, get into the terrible ruts. This road was essentially just an ATV track. I mean, it shouldn't even be called a road, in all honesty. It was a bruising road. And the fact that my truck's just like, yeah, what do you got out? What else you got? What else you got? Challenge me. I was having a heart attack a little bit, and my truck was fine. Really proud of how it did. And a little bit proud of myself too. So this has been a really good trip. I've enjoyed it as always. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.